Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technocrat CS Academy. In this series of database management system, till now we discussed the all fundamental concept of data, database and information. In this video I am going to discuss what is meant by database management system. So let's start. As we discussed in previous video, what is meant by data? Data is defined as collection of raw fact or data is defined as collection of raw material. Like for example, data can be any text or any name, any numerical value, images, pictures, audio, video, etc. So data is collection of any raw fact. Now what is mean by database? Database is collection of related data that is stored in standardized format or structure. Now database is a collection of related thing or collection of similar kind of data, and we make the processing on the data. Processing, that means the operations like defining, storing, manipulation like insertion, deletion and updation. So now after the processing on this database, mainly database is stored in computer memory. That means every database is made under computerized system. So database is presented on computer, and we know that computing required a particular software on this database. Processing, that means it can be, as we just discussed here, processing that is defining, storing, manipulation like insertion, deletion and updation. So for this purpose, user needs some number of coding or program to set all this operation on the database, and that is called as a software, and that is the database management system. Means in other way, the set of program which is doing all these operations or processing, defining, storing and manipulation on the database called as a database management system. So let's see what is the definition of database management system. Database management system is a software package designed to define, manipulate, retrieve and manage data in database. So it is a software designed for the defining and manipulation. Manipulation like insertion, deletion and updation. And database is nothing but it is collection of related thing or related data. Actually we are studying here a relational database management system because we store a data into the table format, which is a collection of related data. Now here some examples of database management system like MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, Oracle and Microsoft Access. By using all this software, we can make a processing on the database, like we can define, we can store data, we can manipulate the data. So this is all about the database management system. So here, before the database management system or DBMS, data is stored or recorded into the file or file system. So in next video, we'll going to discuss what is mean by what is the file system. So till then, share the video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell button so you will get the all updates. Thank you.